Okay, here I give you your brief introduction about Supercard. If you can't find your Supercard on your dock, so you can go to application and then Supercard 4.74, that's a newer version, and then double click this Supercard 4.7, and then you can actually see Supercard here. You don't see anything, any screen, uh, just the title here. So you can let's open up the Supercard tutorial is provided. So you can click this and then tutorial 1, and here is actually the one that completed, right? So if you can uh, uh, this is actually the tutorial you can open up and follow step by step, but here we just go to take a look at the completed one. So double click. Okay, here you go. So you double click, you open up the completed one. You can also click the tools and you can open the tool palette. Now that's the one you need to edit all your program. So now right now we are in the browse mode. So in this mode you can actually execute the program. So this is a complete work. So you can navigate through the button to any other different molecule structures. Here you can see it changes the numbering, number 4, number 5, back to number 1, number 2, and this is this button you press, you can bring you to the previous slide. And if on the first slide, if you click the loop, it just simply goes through all the 5 structures. Okay, here you go. We are back on the first one, and if you choose this one, a universal tool, and then you can actually do editing. For example, if you click this, now you have see 4 white corner appears. Then you can drag to a different place, right? You can drag to a different place, right? So you can change them. And of course, you don't want to mess up, right? So so that's one thing. Another thing is if you double click, you can actually you get this. Now this is called a button info. Here you can do the size, change the size of where the button is, and also you can check the script. That's actually the program, the code associated with this button, right? So that's something you can look up. And of course, here is under this this mode, you can draw button, add another button, right? So add another button. You can add a field. You can do some text. You have to do twice, and then you can type in something, right? So this is all thing you can do. Of course, you have some advanced tools, controls, right? So this is basically the way you can do for the Supercard. And another basic idea about Supercard is about a bunch of cards. They all stacked together. For example, we have 5 cards. You only see 1 card at a time, and all the control we have is to change how the cards show, one by one, or jump to some card and play some cards continuously. By controlling all these cards appear, and you can just create some program. You can even create a game. Okay, so that's the basic introduction.